I'm in the Buenos Aires Railway Museum. It's really fabulous. I really love the old things. This place is just jam-packed. Old phones, telephones. That one from Chicago. There's an old plug board, switchboard. Telegraphs. I'm really having a blast here. Really an amazing place. 2 bicycles that go on the railroad track so that workers could pedal down the track to make repairs. Another really old plug board. Lots of other stuff. Interesting stuff. Great place. They let me in free because I'm a senior.